So in this video we will be solving the binary tree post order traversal. So in this question we have given a root node of the binary tree and we have to return the post order traversal. So because it's a post order traversal, so basically you can determine what it means. So we have like three type of traversal for a tree, which is like pre-order, then we have in order, then we have post order. So how you can remember the meaning of each of these is pre is like first, like so pre, in and post you can treat it in context of your root node. So pre means that you have to visit root first and then visit left and then right. In means you have to visit root node in between, like first you have to visit left, then you have to visit root, then you have to visit right. Okay, post means you have to visit the root node at the end. So first you have to visit left, then you have to visit right, and then finally you have to visit root. Okay, so these are the basically definition of these. Now if you see in this example, we have given root of the node, which is 1. In order to get post order of this, what we have to do is first we have to visit the left node. So left of this one is empty, that's fine. Then we will explore the right of this node, which is 2. Again, now we are at 2. So because it's the post order travel, so we cannot directly explore this 2. Okay, so first we have to visit its left node. We will be visiting its left node, so it's 3. Similarly, we will check if there is any left node. So there is no left node of this 3. So we will visit right of this 3. So right of this 3 is also null. So then comes the root itself, which is 3. Then we will be exploring this node. So that's why in our result we can see like 3 is our first output. Once 3 is explored, then we will go back here. Now for this 2 we have visited the left, we will be trying to visit the right, but there is no right. Okay, so in that case we also be visiting this 2. So we will print 2, then we will go back. Left of 1 is already visited, right of 1 is already visited, so we can visit this one itself, and finally we will visit 1 also. So that's why our output is this. Okay, so let's implement it. So general pattern for this is, because we have to return a list of integers, which is basically a list of our output. So what we can do is we can define a post order list, and then we can define a traversal function which will be traversing it. So it will accept root. It will only traverse if root has some value. So how it is gonna explore is, first it will explore the left one, right? So what does it mean? We have to call the same function again. We will be visiting the left, then we have to visit the right. So just right here, and finally we will be visiting the root itself. So which means that we will be adding root value in our answer. Okay, so once this is done, what we have to do is we have to call this function, we have to pass the root in it, and then finally we have to return the answer. Okay, so let's see if it is working fine. Okay, so instead of answer we have to return this post order, because post order is the list where we are storing our answer. Okay, so here you can see like all of these 3 test cases have been passed, so we can submit it and see whether it is a accepted solution. Yeah, it is accepted. So yeah, thank you.